Good day, sir. Today I'm gonna present for my group. And here's part one, introduction. Topic selection. The topic that we select is database system, including SQL with a single table. We chose this topic as we wanted to understand the concept of database system and enhance our understanding of SQL language involving the single table. Learning outcome of topic. The learning outcome of the topic we had chosen is that we can learn the type of database. Besides, we also learn the evolution of the file system. Lastly, we also learn the problem with file system processing. In the practical section, we hope to apply the lab taught abilities to our own understanding while also responding to the question posed in the assignment guidelines. Part 2, database concept explanation. Type of database. There are different types of database. Single user database supports one user at a time. Desktop database runs on PC. Multi-user database supports multiple users at the same time. Workgroup database supports a small number of users or a specific department. Enterprise database supports many users across many departments. Centralized database. Data is located at a single site. Distribute database. Data is distributed across different sites. Cloud database. Create and maintain using cloud data service that provide defined performance measure for the database. General purpose database contains a wide variety of data used in multiple disciplines. Discipline specific database contains data focused on specific subject areas. And that's all for my part. And thank you.
Hi, my name is Andrew Ho, and this is my part of the presentation. Why begin? First is evolution of file system. We examine the evolution of the file system begin from half century ago to today. One thing we learn is that it to continue to improving over time from late 1915 to early 2020, which is today. Each new generation of file system brings enhancements in performance, scalability, and data integrity along with functionality. This reflects the ongoing effort of the technology industry to adapt to changing needs and variant arrangement in hardware and software. Lastly, we learned that it must be added to current technology as we also improve or create new type of technology that will be used by file system. So it very important to be added for future. The below is the list of file systems we know that have been created throughout the half a century to now. First is file system. It's simple and basic file system we are organized of hierarchy. User have to manage the data manually without directory or folder. Next is the hierarchical file system. It has become a basic form of file organized using directory or folder, providing a rudimentary way to organize file. Next is the file system, also known as file aggregating table. Use a table to track file everything on storage device, making it widely used in early personal computer. Then we have units which develop about the same time of fact develop. If whether we name recurring fast file system is a hierarchical structure used in Unix file operator system to organize and manage file and directory with a root directory at the top and three wide structure branching out to store and organize data. Next, we have a new technology file system, a model file system with a feature like generally access controls, support for large file and volume, and improving data integrity. It becomes the default file system for Windows operating system. Next, we have Windows file system. Those file systems improve performance, scalability, and integration generally for data integrity in Windows distribution. Finally, we have quad optimized file system. With the introduction of the quad-based system, the provider of quad-based introduced file system designed for distributed, scalable, and fault-tolerant storage in cloud. The choice of the file system for a particular use case depends on various factors that we need to know first, including the specific requirement of the application and the underlying hardware and infrastructure for user group. Next, we will discuss the problem with the file system processing. We know that using file system helps us to organize the data and processing in computer system, and this system is still using to this day. However, we also know the file system is not complete without fault or mistake. Here is the list of problems that can occur in file system when processing data. First is data delivery. In the file system, the same data is often stored in multiple files, which can lead to data delivery. Data delivery means that the same data is stored in more than one place, leading to the waste of the storage space and making data maintenance more difficult. Second is data incustody. Due to data redundantly, a new problem will occur, which is the data incustody. If changes are made to one file, those changes must be manually made to all other files containing the same data. If this is not done properly, data incustody can arise. Third is lack of flexibility. File system is not completely flexible and it cannot be easily adapting to change in data structure or new requirement. Adding new field or modifying existing field in the system costs a significant requirement effort and can disrupt existing applications that rely on the data. Finally, we have limit scalability. File systems are not scalable and can handle only a limited amount of data. As a result of the amount of data continuously grow, a file system can become laggy and become unreliable. While file systems are still used in some applications, we now know that not all are suitable for many complex data structures or vast amount of data. As a result, we need to carefully choose what kind of database or file system we need to use to manage data. That is the end of my part of presentation.
Hi, my name is Chi Yong King from Group Review. Today I want to talk about SQL. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is a programming language for storing and processing information in a relational database. A relational database stores information in a tabular form with rows and columns representing different data attributes and the various relationships between the data values. SQL can do many things to help us to make our database more neat. For example, store, update, and search information from database. Besides, SQL also can require data from a database, create new tables in a database, and set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. Now I want to explain an example at each solution about SQL with single table. Each solution I will use localhost PHP my admin to explain each solution. Number 1. Create a new database named ASUS. You need to enter create database ASUS. If enter already, it will show that database ASUS is created. Number 2. Create a database called product with the following attributes and settings. Before I explain, I will say a tip. If we type a SQL in database ASUS, you no need to enter a use ASUS. If enter SQL not in database ASUS and in server, you need to type a use ASUS. If you not do, it will show that there are no database selected. Now I will explain about number 2. Firstly, you create table products, then open. Secondly, enter product ID in file, not new, primary key, auto increment. Thirdly, enter product name varchar 100, not new. Fourthly, enter product year info, not new. Fifthly, enter product category varchar 100, not new. Sixthly, enter product price decimal 72, not new. Lastly, enter product stock in file, not new, then close. Now, it will show that there are product table is created. Number 3, insert below values into table. This table will show that the value for product ID, product name, product year, product category, product price, and product stock. Now, I will show that enter SQL in database ASUS and no need to enter use ASUS. Firstly, is into product for product ID, product name, product year, product category, product price, and product stock. Then enter value. The value must be following the table, just like number 1 for product ID, TUF and TUF Gaming F50AS507Z for product name, 2021 for product year. Laptop for product category, then 6900.15 for product price, and 69 for product stock. You enter one of the value already, use a send step to enter a value. If enter all a value already, it will show that there are values inside your table product. Number 4, display all a different type of product category. You need to enter select distinct product category for as category, just because there are value from product category. Just you rename the product category as category from, then enter from product. If enter already, it will show that there are categories is laptop, headset, mobile phone, and tablet. Number 5, list all the products that are less than 16. They are shown as product name and product stock. So you need to enter select product name and product stock from product. Then enter product stock is less than 16. It's entered already. It will show that their product is less than 16. Number 6, display only products that price more than 1,000 and less than 4,000. You need enter select product ID, product name, and product price from products. Then enter where product price is more than 1,000 and product price is less than 4,000. 1000. If enter already, it will show that their product is more than 1000 and less than 4000. The 4 products. Number 7, show that the product is and most stock. If you want to show that, you need to press select first, then enter min product stock as a list model to change table name. Then enter max for product stock as most model. Then last, enter from product. If enter already, it will show that the list model for stock is list model stock is 20 and most model stock is 108. Number 8, sort the product price in descending order. You need to enter selected product ID, product name, and product price. Then enter from product. Lastly, you need to order by product price DESC. If enter already, it will show that the product price is higher. Last product for in conclusion, it will show that there are the highest. It will show that the highest price for product first, for then the lowest price for product is in lowest. It show for descending order. Number 9, list a product which name contain then. You need to enter the following table. You need to enter product ID, product name, product year, product category, product price, and product stock. Then enter from product. Lastly, you enter where product name like then the then left and right need to enter a percentage. So it will show that Zenbook 13 US 325, Zenfone 6 ZS 613 KL, and Zenstream Touch MD 16 ANT. They are contain Zen name. Number 10, list a categories which has 2 or more products. Following table, you need to enter a selected product category, then enter count 5 as total model for new table. Then enter from product, then enter group by product category for first table. Lastly, enter having count 5 is more than or equal to 2. So enter already. It will show that there are headset, laptop, and mobile phone. Its content 2 or more products. Number 11, select all the products with the year between 2019 to 2021. you need to show a product with a year between 2019 to 2021. Following a table, you need to select product ID, product name, and product year. Then enter from product. Lastly, enter where product year between 2019 and 2021. Enter already. It will show that five product years is between 2019 to 2021. Last question. Are they the first product with a new price and new stock? If you need to update a first product, you need enter update product first. Then enter set product price to 7,000 and product stock for 72. It is for new price and new stock. Lastly, enter where product ID is 1. Now you show that the original table for first product price is 69,900 by 50 and each product stock is 69. If enter already, it will show that the first product's price and stock is update already. Now I will explain it already. Thank you.